looks like this. You're gonna get a set of 2 here. So you get 2 of these little guys. You get a kind of a bigger one and a smaller one. This is like really soft and squishy. Nice and squishy. And then here's I brought some French manicure nail polish here. So what you do, instead of the old way of doing it where you're just kind of like drawing it, this you make a stripe across it. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I made a stripe across it. Let's do my pinky here. And you dip it. Yeah, I mean, it totally works. Look at that. That's so cool. That's super cool. Let's do another one. So that's all you do. I mean, how simple is that? Whoever thought of that, good job. That was like way simple. So you can have uniform nails and you can have a French manicure in like 30 seconds or less. You're gonna have to redraw your line kind of like every few times, but that's super cool. So yeah, set of 2 little nail stampers, easy, clean it off when you're done. I'm just gonna use my own finger right there because I didn't bring anything to clean it. And then look at that, it's ready to go for next time. The easiest, quickest, simplest French manicure on the planet right there.